This is going to be a short video on how to use the new foam cannons to wash the trucks. The sprayer has a quick connect on it that will attach to the hose, and then there's another quick connect to attach the foam cannon to the sprayer nozzle. You'll pull back the black ring and insert the quick connect into the nozzle. This bar is used to adjust the foam concentration. It slides back and forth. You want to keep it on this first hole right here. You don't need to go to the big one because it's way too much soap. Each station now has a barrel of car wash soap that you'll use to fill the foam cannon with. You do not need to dilute the soap at all. Just put 100% car wash soap in the container. When you're ready to spray the truck, there's no need to pre-soak it. You can just spray the soap on directly. There's a small bar on the sprayer. Make sure that that's pointed straight up so that the soap will spray. After you spray the truck with soap, you can soak your brush with soap. And then go ahead and scrub. After scrubbing the truck, you can remove the foam cannon from the sprayer using the quick connect and just use the sprayer nozzle to rinse the truck.